This Con-Tact brand creative covering paper. This is a removable adhesive sticky paper that you can use to line your drawers. They have been making this paper for decades. I remember my mom having this when I was a kid, but look how beautiful this pattern is. This is like a blue and white, and they call this the English rose blue color. So I bought this on Amazon, and I'll share a link in the description below to this exact Con-Tact paper. But I really love this because at first when I got this, my husband was trying to figure out, he didn't look on the other side of how to cut it, but look at, they put this grid on the back that makes it really easy to actually measure and then cut accordingly. So this is actually very easy to install. Now, I'm not going to claim to be like perfect at this. I do it kind of quickly, but I've done it to other drawers in my kitchen, like specifically this drawer right here has the paper already in it, and I just love opening the drawer and looking at something really pretty instead of looking at like the ugly drawer there. So this has been a nice addition to my kitchen. I'm just going to take this little mini measuring tape to measure this drawer. I found these on Amazon. This is the Craftsman brand. This is just measures 6 feet, but this is the kind of thing that's perfect for measuring little tiny spaces like this. Okay, so this is just about 17.5 inches. And since there's all this measuring in the back of this paper, I'm just gonna take note of where that is and then start cutting on probably about that line right there. Okay, so I don't know if I can hold the camera and actually cut evenly, but let's see. What I like to do is measure just a slightly bit over, because I don't really mind if it comes up the sides of the drawer very much, because it's not a big deal to me. But if you're perfect at this, then definitely you'll probably have a different system. But I'm kind of quick and like to just get things done better than not done. So I think this is going to fit in there pretty good. All right, and look how easy that was to measure, and then now let's get it in the drawer. I haven't stuck it in yet, but I just want to show you, for some reason, I don't know if this is all kitchen drawers, but this roll here fits like perfectly lengthwise without me having to trim any of that. So I love that. It's just one less step of something to have to do. Okay, I wanted to show you like the process of what it looked like putting it in the drawer, but I'm not very technical at this. But look how easy for someone like me that's not very good at this kind of thing. I was able to just pretty much get it in there and then press it into the corners. Now I'm just going to finish the back. Right, and you can use like I have a pastry bench scraper that I've done in the past, but I feel like this is just working fine with pressing it with my fingers into the corners. And wow, it just feels so like clean and new all of a sudden. Ah, it feels so good. And here's what the final drawer looks like with the paper all put on the bottom and my utensils back in the drawer. So I hope this was a fun video for you to watch and maybe inspired you to decorate your kitchen drawers as well. And make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.